How to delete Facebook account permanently. You can permanently delete your Facebook account by following these steps. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account which you want to delete. Now, once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section. Once you tap on it and navigate to the menu section, all you have to do is here scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. After that, tap on the settings. Once inside the settings, tap on the account center at the top and navigate to your account center informations. Again, once done so, you'll have to tap on the personal details option available there. Scroll down and tap on it. Then simply tap on the account ownership and control option available there. Then tap on the deactivate or delete account. Then tap on your profile again. Then tap on the delete account and tap on the continue option available there. Once done so, here all you have to do is obviously tap on the continue. Now look for the valid reason in order to delete your account. You can choose any from these options. Here I am choosing one. And tap on the continue option available after you choose one option. Again tap on the continue. Now scroll down, and if you want to download any information of your Facebook, then you can tap on the download, or else you can tap on the continue and continue. And that is it. Now you'll have to enter your Facebook password and your account will be permanently deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.